All right, guys. Now, in this question, okay, this is the second question and the last question for tonight. The fourth term of an AP is 13. Why the 10th term is 31? Find the 21st term. Is it clear? So let's find that. Okay, the options are given to us. We're going to find that, right? The fourth term is 13. The 10th term is 31. Then we have to find what the 21st term. So follow me to the board. All right. So mathematically, the fourth term is 13. Why the 10th term is 31? Is that clear? Now, obviously, if you look at it, we have to find what the 21st term, question mark. Is that clear? All right, now have it in mind that the nth term is equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 common difference d. Remember that? That's the nth term. So let's insert a value into this place. Okay, so we're going to get two simultaneous equations, obviously. Is that clear? All right, so the fourth term would have what 13 equals to a plus your n in this case is 4. Is that clear? Your n here is in case 4 minus 1 going to give us 3. That gives us 3d. Are you following? All right, now for this one, the 10th term, the n is 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So that's going to be 31 equals to a plus 9d. Is it clear to you? Very good, very good. So that's going to get, okay, from this. So we have two equations. 13 equals to a plus 3d. Why 31 equals to what? A plus 9. Is this equation 1? This is what? Equation 2. So how do you solve equation like this? Follow me. Let me show you. All right, so what you do in this case is to subtract. Okay, we're going to subtract equation 1. We're going to subtract equation 1, all right, from equation 2. Is that clear? All right, so that will be going to be equation 1. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Is that clear? So this means equation 1. So this is equation 1. This one is a 1. This one is a 2. Is that clear? Now my board is very small, so I have to manage my board. So what would I going to do is this. That will be 31 minus 13. 31 minus 13, a minus a, then 9d minus what? 3d. Is that clear? So this is going to give us what? We have 18 now. 18 equals to here. A minus a is dead. Here, 9d minus 3d. That's going to give us what? 6d. Is it clear? Now, as usual, okay, please take note, this 6d, right? Okay, my body is small, I have to manage. Now, as usual, between 6 and this times. So your 6 is going to cross over here. Okay, making the d of the formula. Your d will be equal to 18 divided by 6. Then, of course, your d will be equal to what? 3. Is that clear? So your common difference is what? 3. Exactly. So you have know your common difference. What we're going to do now is to substitute your common difference as 3 into any of the equations to get what your A. Okay, so we need to know our A, we need to know our B for us to find the 21st term that we're looking for. Exactly. So put your D here as what? 3. Then we are good to go. Exactly. Follow me as to do that. All right, so this is equation 1, right? So we have 13 equals to a plus 3d. Why your d, from what we got us now, d is equals to what? 3, right? We got d as 3. So put your d as 3 here. We're going to get 13 equals to a plus 3 times 3. Okay, 3 bracket 3. Okay, 3 bracket 3 means what? 9. So we're going to get 13 equals to a plus 9, obviously. Exactly. Well, now this time I'm making a the formula. Your a will be equals to, now your 9 will cross over, it becomes what? Minus. Exactly. So we're going to have a now equals to 13. 13 minus 9. Is it clear? 13 minus 9. So what will be your a? 13 minus 9 going to give us what? What is there? That would be 4, right? Okay, that would be 4 because your 9 plus 4 would give us 13. So you have know your A as 4 and you know your D as what? D as 3. Is it clear? We know our A as 4, D as 3. So we're going to find what the 21st term. Is that clear? If I'm too fast, please replay the video, okay? So they can understand that. So we're going to find the 21st term. Are we following? So let's go and look for that. All right, so guys, this is how it's going to look like, right? So we have T21 equals A plus 20D. Remember, your A is 4, while your D is what? 3. Remember that? A is 4, D is 3. Is it clear? Your A is 4, D is 3. Now, your 21st term, your N obviously in that formula becomes what? 21. 21 minus 1 give us 20. That's what I got 20D, right? Is that clear? That's what we got 20D now. So we're going to insert our A as 4, Y D as what? 3 into this equation. We're going to get our answer, right? So your 21st term now is equals to 4 plus 20 times 3. Is it clear? So that's going to be 4 plus 20 times 3. That's going to give us what? 60. Is it clear? That your 60 plus 4 give us what? 64. So obviously your 21st term will be what? 64 in this case. Okay, do you understand that? Your A is 4, your D is what? 3. Insert them into this equation. That becomes what? 4 plus 20 times 3. 20 times 3 will give us 60, exactly. And then 60 plus 4 give us 64. So what is our right answer? Our right answer will be what? 64, which is what? Option C is the right answer in this question. Is it clear to you? Now, if it's clear to you, say it's clear. If it's not clear, say it's not clear to me. Please repeat. Okay, for me to repeat, please replay the video. Is that clear? All right, that will be good. Then I'm going to give you assignment on this, and then we're good to go. Is that okay? God bless you. Guys, let me quickly give this to you as an assignment, and then we'll come back tomorrow. We're going to take it off from there, right? Now, what we just did was the end term of an arithmetic progression. So my assignment for you now is for you to go and do some of arithmetic progressions. So I want to know those of you can be smart enough to get this done, or should I give you the same thing? Or maybe some of you could say I should give you the same. Give us the same question, right? Let me see if I can give you the same question. But then, please, can you try this? This is number one question. All right, try this as a number one question. Find some of the first 20 terms in our arithmetic progression. Which first term is 7 and the last term is 117. Okay, try and do this at home. All right, and then we'll come tomorrow. We're going to take it up from there. Now, let me also give you something related towards end term. Okay. All right, your question 2 is this. Question 2 says the third term of an AP is 4x minus 2y. And the ninth term is 10x minus 8y. Find the common difference. This is simple. All right. So how do you find common difference? Remember, your common difference is what? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term, and so on and so forth. So if the third term of an AP is 4x minus 2y, and the ninth term is 10x minus 8y, find the common difference. I think this is simple actually, right? So try and see if you can do this. Okay. Just try your best. Okay. Let's see what you can get out of it. Exactly. All right, the sixth term, this one, the sixth term of an AP is half of its 12th term. The first term of the AP is equal to dash. The sixth term of an AP is half of its 12th term. The first term of an AP is equal to dash. So do this as your assignment, and I'm going to take it off, right? Now you can also add this to it. If the ninth term of an AP is 5 times the fifth term, find the relationship between A and D. If the ninth term of an AP is 5 times the fifth term, find the relationship between what? A and D. Also take this as homework, right? So you have like 4 questions for you to try, right? And then we're going to take it off from there tomorrow. Is that okay? God bless you. This is Dr. Sam K. Now please, you can join the paid class. Make sure please your kids are following, and maybe your younger ones or your elder ones, whoever. Okay, if you're in university, this is for you. 100 level student, 200 level student, 300 level student, you're going to go through this, all right? Jambite, YA candidate, TOEFL, SAT, you must go through this, okay? You cannot escape this. So if you want to join the paid class, join the paid class, and of course, I'm going to be your mentor for life. I'm going to be your mentor for life, and you're going to have access to our pro apps, okay? You're going to have access to apps that you can use to solve mathematics very fast. Very fast. There are things that can actually help scale up your mathematics skill. Exactly. So join the paid class with 2,000 naira and you are good to go. Is that okay? God bless. I'm going to see you some other time. This is Dr. Sam K, and this is Duoko Maths Lab. See you some other time. Bye now. God bless you.